This video is slightly a continuation to our earlier video in which the question word how has been discussed. Now, today also we will see the same, but we will see what are some different ways that how how is used in English as an adverbial expression. How is used as an adverbial expression, that will be the focus of today's video. So, let us see. Here you see first usage of use by plus noun. How, that is, we use how with by plus noun or with plus noun phrase. For example, when a question is asked, our answer can be by plus noun or with plus noun phrase. See here, how did Mahesh come? Mahesh came by train, by plus train noun. How did he close the door? He closed the door with his foot, with plus noun phrase. So, how did Mahesh come? He came by train. How did he close the door? He closed it with his foot. How did he send the package? He sent the package by air mail. How did he open the box? He opened the box with his hands. How did he reach Chennai? He reached Chennai by plane. How did she eat the cake? She ate the cake with a fork. How did he send the letter? He sent the letter by airmail. How did he write? He wrote with a new pen. So, adverbial expression, that is, whenever we ask a question on how, our answer can be by plus noun or with plus the noun phrase. This is one way. Second one, by answering with the adverbs of manner. Whenever a question starts with how, we can answer with adverbs of manner. So, usage with adverbs of manner. This clearly, carefully, how the work has been done. That is, in what manner the work has been done. Clearly, beautifully, carefully, fast, well, slowly, rapidly. These are all adverbs of manners. Already we have seen that. So, how did Kavita speak? Kavita spoke clearly. See, the answer with adverbs of manner. How did Kavita work? Kavita worked carefully. How does Kavita swim? Kavita swims fast. How does Kavita sing? Kavita sings well. How does Mahesh talk? Mahesh talks slowly. How does Jones read? Jones reads rapidly. This is second way. That is, first we can use by plus noun as an answer or with plus noun phrase, or with the help of adverbs of manners we can answer the questions of how. Next one, how did he earn money? He earned money by selling radios. He earned money by selling radios. How did she learn English? She learnt English by watching movies. How did Hari learn pronunciation? Hari learnt pronunciation by imitating the teacher. How did Muskan improve her English? Muskan improved her English by practicing every day. How did Kanta answer the question? Kanta answered the question by shaking her head. She answered the question by shaking her head. How did she entertain the class? She entertained the class by playing a guitar. This is the third way, where is ing formation we use. So, these are the ways that we can frame questions on how, and the answers can be given in this way. Let us see some more examples. How does John speak? He speaks clearly. How does Mark read? He reads slowly. How does he play tennis? He plays tennis well. How does Peter drive? He drives fast. How do they eat? They eat rapidly. How does Sally sing? She sings beautifully. How did he study? He studied hard. How did she cook? She cooked carefully. How did they arrive? They arrived promptly. How did he answer your question? He answered it sincerely. How does he pronounce? He pronounces well or pronounces good. Then, how did John learn German? He learned German by practicing every day. How did they arrive on time? They arrived on time by running very fast. How did the boy get $10? He got the money by working with his father. How did she pay for her ticket? She paid for it with a check. How did you learn the song? I learnt it by listening to the radio. How does Paul get to school in the morning? He gets there by walking. How did you study for the test? I studied for it by reading the lessons many times. How did she wake up early? She woke up early by using an alarm clock. How did they make dinner? They made dinner by following the recipe. How does Ben make a salad? He makes a salad by mixing lettuce and tomatoes together. How do you learn new words? I learn new words by repeating them several times. So, this also you have to repeat several times so that the fluency improves, and we frame correct questions and answer very succinctly. Briefly we give the answers so that our language becomes more appropriate and the fluency also increases. So, kindly go through this and practice this, and let us meet in the next video. Thank you.